This is a video to show you the procedure to join your devices using our Intercoax Manager program. First, prepare your devices and your computer. Connect your RX device to the computer. Power up. Check the LED. The power LED is lit. The data link LED will blink and the join LED will switch off after a few seconds. On your computer, run the Intercoax Manager program. At the top, select your computer LAN card MAC address and press search. In local device MAC address, your device's address will appear. Double-click. In password, enter the desired password for your device. To save, press Write. The password has been successfully changed. Disconnect and repeat the same procedure with the TX you want to join. Connect and power up. Check the LED. The power LED will lit up and the data link will blink. On the Intercoax Manager, press search again. Your device's address will appear. Double-click. In password, enter the desired password. This must be the same password as the RX. To save, press Write. The password has been successfully changed. And now we will check that the devices are properly linked. Disconnect. Connect the RX to the computer again. Using your 2-wire cable, connect the RX to the TX. Check the LED. Your devices are joined. Repeat the procedures for the other devices you want to join.